Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. We're at Angel Jimenez's property here in Conyers, Georgia. We're going to be removing a damaged shingle today. We're going to be replacing it with a new shingle. I'm going to let you guys follow along during this process. Set you guys down. The shingle we'll be removing today, guys, is this shingle right here. It's these 3 tabs. This is going to be a problem. Alright. Clearly it ripped through the shingle, guys. Ooh. It's really hot today. Holy fucking 4 nails. Okay. Three. 4. Guys, that shingle has been removed. We're going to put the new shingle in. Hello, Mr. Jimenez. How are you doing?
What's going on?
Not much, not much. I'm actually doing a video right now for your insurance company, removing a damaged shingle, putting a new one back in, showing them the consequential damages from that.
Right.
You had a lot of damage on your roof and they wrote for a repair. So this is kind of the way of showing that a repair is not a feasible option. So I'm about to just nail this new shingle back in, and then in the video, and I'll come down and talk to you.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. So you can see the new shingle is put in. Now you can tell none of these shingles were affected during the repair process. As you can see, if I rub my hands lightly across the top of these shingles, there are no loose granules on them. Now, these 2 rows of shingles were affected during this repair. Let me get out of your shadow line. As you can see, guys, if I were to rub my hands just gently across the top of these shingles, you can see the loose granules popping off, and especially in the corners of some of these shingles. You can see the clear crease line right here on this shingle, the corners of these shingles, the second row shingle as well. You can see that the granules have come off due to the repair process. We'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys so you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.